Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. The summer is here again, so it's time to cool it down with NESCAFÉ Ice Coffee Frappe. So, this is another Nescafe Ice Coffee flavor, and this one is lactose free, so that's good. It sticks. Sorry about the damage, by the way. I think when I came from shop, it got damaged underneath the back, so the box doesn't look so good as it should be. Nutrient values, very nice. And ooh, here's the receipt for 2 people. Vanilla ice cream. I think I'm just gonna wait the regular one. No need to add anything else. Easily opened. And look, you have this thing. You can just take it from here. And then you close it. Very nice. This stick. Let's go ahead and bring some ice and prepare the coffee. This one is different from other Nestlé's coffees because you have to put cold milk instead of just water. So let's see how this goes. Semi-skimmed, I don't know what that means, but I think it's just regular milk. Let's try it. 1.8 deciliters. I guess that's about it. And then you have to stir it and put in the ice. We got this ice from the previous Nescafe Ice Cold Coffee video last summer, remember? Very good. Okay, it's time to see if Nescafe Ice Coffee Frappe tastes any good. The smell is definitely promising. But how's the taste? Let's find out. So cold and so sweet. You know, it's so cold it's hard to taste even the flavor. Maybe I put too much ice here. You know, it definitely tastes different than other Nescafe instant coffees because you have to put this milk instead of water. So of course fresh milk is better than milk powder. Like it tastes way different. Let me go ahead and put a little bit more milk here too. Okay, I think that's good. It's basically the same that you drink in like Starbucks. The flavor is almost the same. And you make this in home. Like, that's unbelievable. Let's see the nutrient values. Okay, we have 89 grams of sugar per 100. So this is basically only sugar. So only sugar and coffee. Yeah, look. It's 89% sugar. It even says here. 89% sugar. That's unbelievable. It's 9% coffee, 89% sugar. You know, I was thinking it tastes really sweet, but it's really hard to taste any coffee. It's basically sugar and milk. But you know, it's good. Finished. I don't know what frappe is. Is frappe meaning that it's only sugar, like, you know, Starbucks style? I have no idea. Let me Google 1 second. Frappe is a Greek iced coffee drink made from instant coffee, generally spray-dried Nescafé, and water, sugar and milk. So it originates from the Greece. And it's actually, this Nescafé is the original ingredient in the frappe. So I think the Starbucks copied it with the frappuccino and stuff like that. Yeah, for me, I think it's way too much sugar in here, like 95% sugar. I didn't taste, I'm 89% sugar. I didn't taste any of the coffee content itself. Like, I think other Nescafe flavors are much better than this because you can actually taste the coffee instead of just the sugar. But if you like this overly sweet coffee, I think this is a perfect choice for you. It's easy to make at home, just have milk, ice and this, and yeah, for me the rating of this, I don't think I will ever buy the same because I like to have more coffee without sugar. So for me it's like 7 out of 10. It tastes good but too much sugar. But objectively I would say this is like 9 out of 10 product. It's easy to make at home, Starbucks level coffee, and there's nothing wrong about it. Like I think if you buy this, the whole pack of this is same price as coffee in the Starbucks, and it tastes almost the same. So yeah, 9 out of 10 objectively. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment if you like this coffee or not, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.